Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Wonder Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can change your age in Flo App. So guys, if you have inaccurately logged your wrong age, then this video is for you. So first of all, you just need to go ahead and tap on Flo, and once you're in there, just go ahead and look at the top left corner with an avatar. Scroll down and now you'll see many options like report for a doctor, graphs and reports, cycle and ovulation, app settings, privacy settings, access code, reminders, help, about Flo. So guys, we just need to go ahead and tap on privacy. And once you're there, you'll see more options like Flo Privacy Explain, request information, change account details, manage your consents, and delete account. We should just look at the third option and tap on change account details. So guys, once you're there, you'll see these options and articles. So guys, once you open this article that says, how can I change my age in the app? It says right here that if you've selected the wrong year, please submit a request here to our support team. So guys, you cannot directly change you need to submit a request and tap on here and choose I need help with something. Now just type in your email address and type in that you have mistakenly written down the wrong year of birth, and also give more details so they can review it with more accuracy and tap on submit. So guys, that's how you change your age in Flo. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.